Ika.
Hello, Committee of IVCO, International Virtual Conference on Language and Literature 2020. We will please to explain you about our paper. It is integrating technology in designing bilingual description of heritage tourism objects in East Java. And our group member, it is Brilliant Rizkimada, and my name is Kelvin Panji Samudro, and the only girl in this group, it is Maria Talitakumi Widiastuti, will explain about the background. Maria, time is yours.
Thank you. So, the background of our paper are certainly to help tourists to know more about the history of the places. And then the providing necessary information about the places and for the diocese website development research. We hope that it could be used as reference for online mass or worship. Since now is the pandemic era, which is COVID-19, and the mass couldn't be attended on site, we hope that these websites could be a good examples that in this era of technology. Next slide.
Okay, thank you for this slide. This slide is key terms. First, website is group of the web page that carry a single domain name. Second, a guidebook is a book that help visitors get information about the spot of their visit. Third, translation is a process of reproducing in the receptor language the close natural equivalent of the message of the result language. Fourth, heritage tourism is one of the tourist attractions with the main theme of heritage and ethical culture. The last thesis is a territorial area which led by bishop. Next slide.
Okay, so this is the objective of our research. It is developing bilingual websites for temples, heritage village, and diocese. We are focusing on these websites for temples and heritage village and diocese because for temples, mostly nowadays are rarely visited by youngsters, and visitors are not influenced to, not encouraged to visit the temples. And the heritage village, we will please to extend more about the knowledge about the heritage village. And the diocese, it is particularly targeting for visitors who want to know about the particular religion in Indonesia. And the foreigners that we are targeting is mostly possible to read with these products. And the next slide, please.
Okay, for this slide, great people will explain for a review of literature. We has a reference first Neyusro Jabakis. The title is Using the Language for Museum Website. The second, from Julius, the title is A Study of Chinese English Translation of Tourism Take from the Perspective of Scopus Theory. And the last, from Fuad Hassan, Utilization of QR code scanner for application of exhibition data in Android-based Sono Budoyo State Museum. Next.
And then we have come to the design and development steps that we use. So the design and development steps that we use is research and development methodology by Borg and Gall 1983. The steps conducted is as follow. The first step is research and information collection. The second is product development. The third is expert validation to assess the result of our research. And the fourth is the first revision and evaluation. The fifth is field testing for the respondents to assess the development results. And the sixth is the second revision and evaluation. And the last step that we conduct is the final product. Next.
So this is the example of the product. As we know that you can see on the slide, the Malang heritage, like Tirta Amerta, it is in Sumberawan Temple in Malang. We conducted 2 languages. The first language is Taman Bidadari in versi Bahasa Indonesia. We are targeting the local visitors. And then the second language, the Name Garden, actually it is the same material that we'll conduct here. And we are targeting about the foreigners, and we would love to make sure that they are known about the place that they are visited. The next products.
So this is the second products. Uh, the diocese website is made for the tourists who would want to know more about the history of Diocese of Malang. As we know, the Diocese of Malang is not only covers the Catholic churches in Malang, but also the Catholic churches in several other cities in East Java. So we hope that this development will be useful for the visitors of the churches in East Java for tourism purpose. And also we provide the tab for language preference. So it plays in this. It contains the Indonesian and English language version. So we hope that it could ease the visitors who search for the information of the churches in Malang region. And as we could see in the next slide, this picture is the screenshot of the original website. So the researcher made the WordPress version as similar as possible as the original version. And the next slide will be explained by Billy.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Maria. The last product, the last product is Kampung Heritage Kayu Tangan. Kampung Heritage Kayu Tangan. This is about architecture description and about first generation and about Kampung Heritage Kayu Tangan. This product for helping visitors when some people visit in Kampung Heritage Kayu Tangan. This is one of the example English description. And then the next slide will explain about this is about website in the Kampung Heritage Kayu Tangan have a English version and versi bahasa Indonesia. The next. Okay. Our best regard to meet you all great people. I'm Brilian Rizky, Calvin Panji Samudro, and Maria Talitakumi. Thank you very much and goodbye.